Hello folks, in this video, I will show you how to compress PDF file size on PC. So first of all, open Chrome, type on the search bar PDF file compressor. Go on this website, I'll have PDF, select the PDF file you want to compress. For example, I'm selecting here my Atomic Habits PDF. You can see it is 4.87 MB. Now let's compress it. Now the result is in front of you. It has converted from 4.87 MB to 1.78 MB. So that's how you can compress your PDF file. That's it for the video. Consider a like and subscribing the channel. Thank you very much.